Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert WordArt into Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab. And now you want to go to the right side, right where it says the letter A, where it says Insert WordArt. It's above the text section. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you can insert various word art, and it'll take you or redirect you to a new tab when you are highlighting over this text. It'll give you a lot of different options to play around with the type of word art that you have on your screen. So you can change the size of it, you can change different theme settings as well as different colors and outlines and effects. So pretty cool feature there, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.